Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you going to do right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down to 746. NASDAQ's off 195. S&Ps are off 75. Percentage-wise, what you have out here, folks, you get the Dow down 3%. S&P's down 2.6. NASDAQ off 2.7. Gold contract up $8.80, trading at $13.37 an ounce. Silver, flat, $16.35. We'll get into the metals. Gold did catch a bid. Silver caught the bid. Silver gave it up on price. Bottom line, they both have volume going topside. Oil got crushed down $1.64, trading $61.92. And here's the number again, folks. Notes and bonds. Bottom line, 10-year note up 14 ticks, trading a price point of 121 even. 30-year bond up a point and 4 ticks, 146.01. Both moved topside once again. Wide price spread. Volume behind the move. That's after pulling back the last 3 days with dramatically lighter volume. They both want higher price, lower yield. King dollar couldn't handle higher price. Up at its swing point for March 1st. Gave it up in spades. Get the peanut butter out. Get the jelly. Get the cream cheese. Butter it up. It's done once again. King dollar down 394 ticks. 89.760. The euro is trading at 122.28. to $1 the yen is out here trading at 106.80 to $1. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We take a look at the SPY first. What you're going to see out here, folks, once again, bottom line, market not only gives it up, but what you have here, and we've had for bottom line is that you have a complex ABC structure on the way down, and it's a monster inside the S&P. It's pretty intense, actually. So your high volume benchmark that we've been looking at for a while is the 258.70. Well, looks like we're gonna close under 258.70. That was the February 6th. That was the first downdraft. That first downdraft, of course, started January 26th. You go straight down into that level. You had a high volume low. I have another high volume low on the February 9th. Bottom line, you do a nice counter trend bounce. You get all the way up to 280. Gives it up again in spades and gives it up on volume. What you had inside the S&P when we broke on Monday, bottom line, you broke with volume, sets up a monster ABC structure on the way down. What is the price projection? Hold on, folks, because you're talking about 244 inside the SPY. We're at 258 right now. If you get the 244 and we take a look at the 244, what you're going to see here is that 244 brings you all the way back to June of 2017. It brings you inside the lower trading band. We go back into this on a daily again, and what you're going to see on the daily, bottom line is that what you're doing now, I suspect we're going to more than likely close near the lows of the day. You're going to have some juice under this market going lower. NDX 100. Now, the NDX 100, the 3 Qs, was the first one to do the ABC structure on the way down. Ripped apart the B point, did it with volume. That baby had done that on the 28th of March. That price projection out there is at 148. That's not as bad as the S&P. That's under the February 9th time frame. You have a gap that's wide open at 147, so I figure it's going to go after that gap. That gap is October 26th. That being said, and this is where the first indice, which was the Qs that gave it up, bottom line, also end up doing a complex ABC down. And what a complex ABC down or up means is this. You break a B point, you do it with volume, you go back on the opposite side of the B point with light volume. Then you go back down. You don't have to come back down with volume to break the B point again. The thing that was so unusual about the Qs is that that's exactly what they did. They broke the B point, broke it with volume on the 28th, and then what does it do? turns around, does another ABC structure down, and then blows it away again on the 2nd. Bottom line, ABC structure is down in a huge way. Dow Industrials, we take a look at the Dow. What you're going to see with the Dow, Dow is actually going to close under the level of the 5th of March, right now we're 100 points actually under it. We are 23,823. That number there is 23,923. So we'll see how this shakes out coming into the close. But bottom line, trouble in paradise. We go take a look at the gold market. So what do we got with gold? Gold market out here Friday in the gold market, always dangerous, folks. Bottom line, gold market today rejected lower price at 1322, has volume of 356,000. And so what you're doing out here, you've been consolidating for some time. Bottom line, you were going into a high volume strength, which was the 21st. This baby wants to go after its January 25th high, which is the 1375. We take a look at silver. Inside the silver market out here, today, flat. We did 80,000 contracts in the silver market. Bottom line, that is pushing, and it's pushing with volume. Silver still needs a bid. That's the bottom line. Still needs a bid. We take a look at a few of the gold and silver equities. The GDX out here, 17 million shares traded. That we also want to see more volume in. That's anemic volume. You're up 9 cents. That is anemic volume inside that market. Notes and bonds are the number. This is pretty amazing when you actually take a look at this note and bond market. Fundamentally, yeah, it makes sense that, okay, guess what? Fed saying short-term rates, they're going to go up. If you caught Powell's speech today at the Chicago Economic Club, great speech. Great question and answer deal. Bottom line, folks, he was very transparent on what he was saying. And bottom line, guess what? Nothing is in stone. That's what I got out of that more than anything. Nothing is in stone. And the way that these bonds are trading, these bonds looks like they're going to do an ABC structure on the way up. And what is that saying? That's saying that people just want to be able to get their money back. Stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. We have the Dow down 639. S&P's up 64. Come right back.